everyone, and welcome to Senses by Samreen, where we talk about home interior design styles and tips and hacks to interior design your home. So today we are going to talk about how to decorate your home with 5 modern interior design styles, which is one of the styles of decorating your home. So first is clean lines. Modern home interior has clean defined lines, which could be in the form of windows or beams or supports or the doors or even your furniture. So they are clean and they don't have those kind of, by clean it means that it won't have those kind of curves or textures that probably you can see in eclectic design. So modern homes offer features that are open roofs, large windows, and balconies which are of clean straight. They don't have the staircase which will have a curvy flowy design. No, it's not going to be like that. They are essentially geometrical, I would say, and they are more focused on the functional part. Just maintains its order and simplicity like that. So the clean lines are the hallmark of your modern home. So next we will discuss the modern home decor. In the modern home, the decor is very minimalistic and it is designed for a place, and it has a certain area and it is carefully placed over there with the calculated heights you will see, and the colors, they're mostly neutral, and each piece of furniture has a certain amount of decor on it. So you won't see the kind of unplanned and unstructured kind of decor in a modern home. They are again with clean lines. They have a iconic shape. They might be from a artistic, they might be placed in a more of an artistic way. They make your space look uncluttered and more clean and defined. Each piece in a modern home is bought with a clear mind. It is well planned. It is placed in a way that it follows an order of the heights and the widths and the proportions. It actually promotes relaxation and comfort in a space. Each piece of furniture just has a purpose. It's more of on the it's more functional than I'd say more fashionable. Number 3 is neutral colors. You will see the modern home as a neutral color. You won't see a pop of yellow coming in. You won't see a pop of blue coming in. You won't see colors which are loud in this theme. The walls are very neutral. You will see beige, grey, white, creams. These are the shades which are prominent in this design, and these colors are actually timeless. You won't feel like after 6 months, oh, I need to change everything about it. No, it won't be happening like that. It's a perfect backdrop for any accessory you will be placing in front of that, on your consoles or your table. They also create a sense of spaciousness and more simplicity, which is again, I'll say, a hallmark of modern design, that it is more on the simplistic, more on the relaxing, and more on the cleaner side. You'll feel that kind of I won't call it like emptiness. It's more on a positive word would be spaciousness, a good spaciousness. So you can see the furniture, the sofas, which are, maybe a little, above from the floor level. The colors are green. You won't see much quilting. You will see this, clean, clear fabrics used, mostly, jutes and velvets. The cushions are not very designed in the manner that, you can see the corners with a frill, or you can see a loud texture on it. It may have a loud print maybe, but I would not say the texture or a mix of colors or something. Even if you see a painting in a modern home, it is more of an iconic or a well-known painting, or a more painting which has a more character to it rather than more of a design to it, So it may be very simplistic, but it will have a greater value. So I have recently launched a home interior design handbook, which is available on Amazon and my website sensesbysamreen.com as well. It will help you to design your home in a more well-informed way. It will guide you step by step through every interior design style, tips, tricks and hacks, and it will also help you set up your own interior design business. Number 4 is open floor plans. In a modern home, you don't have walls dividing everything. You don't have screens rooms, dividing your home. You usually have your furniture dividing everything. So you don't necessarily have anything at the back of your furniture to make it a confined box or a confined rectangular space. But you have your furniture, you have your sofas, it's a 3-2-1 maybe, and a coffee table in the middle, and the rug covering that area, and that's it. Maybe the area behind it is completely empty, and which is completely fine. Open floor plans help you have more light in your home, so there are less divisions, then less closures, open windows, and you can see natural light coming in and less distractions in that space. They also actually promote socializing and family interaction as well, because you don't have much closed spaces, and they make your home look more social and a more welcoming place in that way. Number 5, low and long furniture. That fact, in modern furniture, it's more of a, you'll see lower heights of your sofas, lower coffee tables. That actually makes your space feel more comforting, more relaxing. You can just sit back. It has, it has larger, they're larger in depth, I'll say, and, smaller in height. So the low and long consoles, the low and long coffee tables, you can see more sectional sofas in your modern home interior design than any other maybe, and they are more they're not like a set of 7 or maybe 8-seater. They can be longer than that. They more have a leg they have more leg space for you, so and you won't see much quilting on them, you won't see much designing on them, you won't see more experimentation on the fabric as well. Even the furniture which I'm telling you is low and long, they have more of a character with the material that has been used. You can see marble in it, you can see natural wood in it, you can see wicker in it maybe, but it doesn't have a texture or that kind of a combination of gloss and a matte. It's one way, it's just clean, it's a character on its own. So these are the 5 tips that can help you design your home in a modern way. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if you have more questions about modern home interior design, and we will be talking about minimalistic home interior design in our next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.